So we know that the brush-tailed rock wallaby colony has been impacted by the fires, and we know that it did burn quite hot through that area. The critical focus for us is getting in there as quickly as possible to make sure that we've got enough food and supplements for those animals to survive. They can be quite clever in protecting themselves from the initial fire, and then that's why it is so critical to get in there as quickly as possible to make sure that they have enough food. We know that the fire's gone through, and we know that food will be scarce, so the team have been developing food packages, care packages, which consist of a few different types of food. So there's carrots, sweet potato, there's some lucerne, and there's also some macropod or kangaroo pellets, which can be dispersed initially through dropping out of a helicopter, and the idea is to sort of strategically place them at a few different locations in and around the colony so that there's enough food for them to venture out and access and still maintain that, I guess, location and be able to protect themselves from those predators that exist in the landscape. So initially the safety and the access is certainly a problem, but ideally and hopefully soon, once ground crews have gotten in there and done their work to make those areas safe, it makes it a lot easier for us to get in there as well and sustain a program which will be absolutely required in the medium and long term. The brush-tailed rock wallaby are so endangered largely due to feral pests, predators, foxes, cats, that are devastating in the Grampians landscape. And it's a small colony, anywhere from 15 to 50 is estimated at this point. And we've got a monitoring program and a predator control program that's been underway for a number of years, which aims to protect the species and make sure that they can thrive in the Grampians landscape.